The model is the ratio between two numbers is A is to B. If x is subtracted from each of these numbers, the ratio becomes C is to D. Then the two numbers are given by ax into d minus c divided by ad minus bc and bx into d minus c divided by ad minus bc. Now taking an example, two numbers are in the ratio of 5 is to 6. If 5 is subtracted from each of these numbers, the ratio becomes 4 is to 5. Then the numbers are, now here given that the ratio of two numbers is 5 is to 6. If 5 is subtracted from each of these numbers, that ratio becomes 4 is to 5. Then we have to find the original numbers. Now comparing with this model, here A is to B equals to 5 is to 6, C is to D equals to 4 is to 5 and the subtracting quantity x equals to 5. Then by these relations, the first number is ax into d minus c divided by ad minus bc. Here a equals to 5 into x is 5 into d minus c, that is 5 minus 4 divided by ad 5 into 5 minus bc 6 into 4, that gives 25. And the second number is bx into d minus c divided by ad minus bc, that equals to b is 6, x is 5 into d minus c 5 minus 4 divided by ad minus bc, that equals to 5 into 5 minus 6 into 4, that gives 30. Now taking another example, the ratio of present ages of Sita and Geeta is 4 is to 3. 4 years before, the ratio of their ages was 2 is to 1. The present age of Sita is. This is also similar model. Here given that the ratio of present ages of Sita and Geeta is 4 is to 3. So A is to B is 3. 4 years before, that means 4 years before means we have to subtract 4. That is subtracted quantity x is 4. Then that ratio becomes 2 is to 1. That is C is to D. Then we have to find the present age of Sita. Now comparing, A is to B equals to 4 is to 3, C is to D equals to 2 is to 1 and x equals to 4. That is given that, since given that x is 4 years before, so we have to subtract 4. Now the present age of Sita is, here Sita is the first member, so by calculating the first quantity, that is ax into d minus c divided by ad minus bc, that equals to a is 4 into x is 4 into d minus c 1 minus 2 divided by ad 4 into 1 minus bc 3 into 2. This gives 8.